Today we're drawing an angry Terminator skull. Sharp eyes, dark shadows, and a powerful robotic look. Grab a marker and follow along. This drawing is simple and looks awesome when finished. Start with drawing a short angled line. This will be the top of the first eye. Draw another angled line next to it for the second eye. Turn the first line into an eye by drawing a smooth curved line underneath it. Do the same on the other side to finish the second eye. Go over the eye outlines to make them smoother and a little thicker. Inside the first eye, draw a small curved shape for the pupil. Draw the same curved pupil inside the second eye. Adjust the inner lines so both eyes look sharp and angry. Now color the pupils red. Draw curved shapes inside the eyes, then carefully fill them with black. Make sure both eyes are filled evenly. Add a few short lines on the outer sides of the eyes, just like I show. Draw a small curved line above the left eye to start the angry eyebrow. Draw a similar curved line above the right eye, slightly angled toward the center. Add a small crease between the eyes to make the angry expression stronger. Draw a simple nose under the eyes. Start with a curved line, then bring the ends close together at the bottom. Add two short lines that meet in the center. Fill the nose with black. Add small curved lines above each eye to make the angry look stronger. Keep them short. Draw one long curved line above the eyes to connect both sides and create a heavy angry brow. Now draw several sharp upward strokes in the middle of the forehead. Keep them uneven. Make these strokes slightly thicker so they stand out but stay sharp. Extend short curved lines outward from the brow on both sides to shape the upper face. Draw a large rounded line over the head, starting from the top and going over to one side. Bring the line down on the other side to complete the head shape. Draw rounded shapes on both sides of the head. Fill these shapes with black. Adjust and refine them so both sides look similar. Add short, curved lines along the sides of the head for more structure. Draw a small rounded shape on top of the head and add details on both sides. Next, draw curved lines like these to shape the skull. Curve these lines slightly inward to give the face a strong bone-like shape. Then add small curved lines that connect smoothly into the cheeks. Draw a jagged, uneven line under the nose to form the top of the teeth area. Keep it rough and wavy. Draw short, curved lines to separate the teeth. Next, draw two vertical lines for the mouth. Then draw the lower jaw. Refine the jaw by drawing long angled lines downward from the cheeks. Adjust the cheekbones and jaw so both sides match. Extend a smooth curved line downward on the left side of the jaw. Mirror the same line on the right side to finish the skull shape. Complete the skull with one clean line. Draw long curved shapes on both sides of the mouth to create deep cheek hollows. Fill these shapes with black to add depth and contrast. Keep the black areas narrow and pointed at the bottom to highlight the jaw. Continue drawing the skull as I show. Draw a small rectangle under the teeth to show that it's a robot, then color it black. Finally, add a few details to finish the skull. But don't stop watching. We're not done yet. Up next, we'll draw a cool, muscular neck that will make this drawing look even more awesome and finished. Next, draw curved lines for the neck on the left and right sides. Continue drawing as I show, creating thin tube-like shapes. Draw 2 more tubes under the chin. Try to keep everything symmetrical. Add a few more lines. Later, we'll color some parts black to add depth. Now finish the neck by drawing more curved lines that match each other. Color parts of the neck black, like I show, to create depth. Finish the drawing. And that's our Terminator skull drawing finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video and subscribe for more easy drawings. Comment below what character you want to draw next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.